Hi everyone. Welcome to Bullets and Brushes. Today we are going to see how to play Need for Speed Most Wanted Black Edition multiplayer offline via LAN. For this you need a RJ45 LAN cable that comes in almost every routers nowadays. First of all, connect both of the computers with this cable. Follow as the video is shown. This is the PC1. Click on this network icon. It will be shown as an unidentified network. Select to network and internet settings. And select Change Adapter Properties. Select Ethernet Connection. If this does not show, it will be shown as Local Area Connection in previous versions of Windows. Now click on Change Settings of this connection. Click on Internet Protocol version IPv4 and select Properties. Select the second button again which says Use following IP address. Type 192.168.1.1 on the IP address. You can put any number instead of the last one, and then just click on the subnet mask, and the address will be automatically updated. Now close all windows. Let's go to the PC2. Follow the same steps as we did on the first computer except for the IP address. Select the network and internet settings. And select Change Adapter Properties. Select Ethernet Connection. Now click on Change Settings of this connection. Click on Internet Protocol version IPv4 and select Properties. Select the second button again which says Use following IP address. Type 192.168.1.5 on the IP address. Change the last digit and as shown. This can be any number as well. Do not put the same IP address as it was on the PC1. And then just click on the subnet mask and the address will be automatically updated. Now close all windows and open the game. Do as the video instructs you. Select LAN Play. Press 1 on the keyboard to create a server. Enter your name. Go to Quick Race and select any type of game. Since we are creating a new server, there won't be any games. Select Create a Game. And wait in this screen after you have selected your race and your car. Let's go back to PC1 again to check if connection is success. Open to this PC and open Network. If there is a new device visible, then your connection is successful. Let's open the game in PC1. Open the game and go to LAN Play. You will be directed to the same server. Select and enter your name. Select the same race selected on the PC2. So select Quick Race and select Sprint. The race will begin in a moment. Hope you all enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed it or have any other doubts in the connection, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below for our new videos.